Bad road, poor road conditions here on Ossington Ave. Oh my gosh. Oh. I hope none of my groceries gonna pop out. Oh gosh, I feel something in the back. The angle is like for this bus. Oh well, there's a red light, so I'll wait right behind Dundas Street West in Ossington. Never go so close up to the bus like that. They can easily back up for some reason. You get hit, they don't see you. The bus driver doesn't see this dude. I'm right behind, like, you can see the side mirror so he can see me. But this electric bike. But I think buses have, I don't know, maybe buses have cameras behind. I'm not sure. Yeah, there's a camera on top. So, ouch. Another bad. Whoa. Okay, so they paved some of it here, but it was super bad. So they have paved a little bit of Ossington strip here. But yeah, I'm passing by the cracks and potholes, rough roads here. But yeah, another some rough pavement here. I hope I'm recording, I don't know. Okay, a little bump here. I think they paved this a year or two ago, this part I'm riding on right now, but it was really bad. So, this is all new road here from, well, a year or two ago. A stupid car. Bus had a signal on. Why are you trying to stay on the left side shoulder? Queen Street's going to be bad. I have to look at all my past live streams riding along Queen Street. That's how I do it. Rough patches here. Queen Street West. Oh, very bad. I hear the garbage truck coming. Ah! Wow. Yeah, look how bad that is. Streaker tracks as well. Oh, that's what I was live streaming on Victoria Day, cycling out to the beaches. And all that was bad. The tracks. It's gonna derail, I tell you. Yeah, right here's bad. Trying to give it the angle. Oh, garbage stinks. I'm gonna go down here anyway. Making a right. Michelle Street. Okay, bump here, bump, bump. So Shaw Street along here needs some tender love and care. Oh, very rough here. I'll lower the angle. I'm gonna keep it down, I think, so you can see what I have to go through. All right, King Street and Shaw. So the angle is lower, so I'm gonna have a look at it too. The replay. Yeah, chunk hole there. I'm trying to blow my nose. and you're a scooter and you're not supposed to be on the road. It's illegal anyway. Scooters are not. Yeah. Scooters are illegal. Really. So there. So you have no say. He said, stay in one lane. Well, I'm trying to like blow my nose and steer at the same time. So are they sold out? Yeah. Okay. Niagara Street is bad. Right, just start right here. I don't know if my angle will pick it up, but it is very bad. Needs a whole new road. Okay. I know they patched some stuff here, but it's still at least 90%, 95% bad. Oh. Oh, this is really, holy moly. I'm gonna call this in.